welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day, and I am so excited. We have a unboxing to do. This is on a subscription. This is an order I placed, so we are going to dive into that in just a minute. I just want to say, if you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And for those returning, thank you so much for your continued support. Let's dive in. I did have to go ahead and open it, but I did another BH Cosmetics order. So there was really one thing that I wanted to get, and I kept checking their website. I get emails. They had a great sale going, and I was actually able to get the item that I've been eyeing and 3 additional items for less than the original price of the main thing I wanted. So let's dive in so I can show you guys. So we're gonna start with the 3, I don't want to say extra, I mean I paid for them, but the 3 items that, oh, I'm sorry, I'm pooping, you guys. The first item is their BH Cosmetics Illuminate Liquid Lipstick. This was actually in collaboration with Ashley Tisdale. And I know I've said in many videos, it is fall. You got to have a good red, and actually in my opinion, because I don't want to wear the same lipstick every day, like shades of red. So this is in the color NYC, but I just thought it was really pretty, so I thought I would give it a try. And it was like $2 or $3. Telling you, when they throw stuff on sale, especially when they get some of that stuff that's up to 70% off, you can get some amazing finds. So moving right along, the next item I got is their BH Cosmetics. Well, obviously all of this is BH Cosmetics. I guess I don't have to keep saying that. This is brush V6. It's the vegan large eyeshadow brush. And I know that we get lots of brushes in other subscription boxes, but I'm sorry, eyeshadow brushes is something you cannot have too many of. And these were on sale. It feels super nice. It's, yeah. And I want to say I paid $2 to $3. So this is the brush, this beautiful silver, it actually has a little bit of sparkle brush. So just a large eyeshadow brush. And to go along with it, I got brush V5, which is their vegan blending brush. Because again, I don't think you can have too many eyeshadow type brushes. And yeah, these are really good for blending out here and into the crease. So again, same silver handle. And it feels amazing. So yay. So those are the 3 items that I just kind of added. So now we are going to get into the one item that like I said, I've been eyeing and just broke down and ordered because of the sale they were having at the time. So it is an eyeshadow palette. They always wrap everything so well. It is their Supernova 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. This palette, I'm gonna slide the box off. thought was, you know, it's cute. This palette is normally, I want to say like $18.50. Could be off a little bit, but about $18.50. So by the time you add tax and stuff, probably about $20. Well, I got the palette, the liquid lip, and the 2 brushes with tax and everything. I had free shipping, but with tax and everything, $16 even. So I got all of it for less than the normal price of this palette. So I'm going to show you guys these colors. Oh, that's flying out at me. Okay. So as always, BH Cosmetics has a huge mirror up here. Oh, you're gonna see 2 of me. Has a huge mirror up here. I am going to try my best to not blind you guys. But here are the colors. Are they not gorgeous? I mean, I just think they are so beautiful. They're all a little shimmery satin sheen, however you want to call it, but I just absolutely love it. Yay! My eyeshadow palette collection, you guys, is getting ridiculous. So I got the palette that is gorgeous, the 2 brushes, and the liquid lip, perfect for fall, all for $16 even. I am all about a good deal. So just wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have not already, please check out BH Cosmetics. They have such great deals. I will leave a link down below for you guys. Otherwise, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.